Ben. Are you not ready? Nope. That's wild.
Hey guys, I apologize for the late upload and because of editing problems and family stuff came up lately, and I've also been really sick this past week, which pulled it back even further, but I'm a lot better now, so that's good. In this video, I decided to try to be an assassin from Assassin's Creed, and it worked out a lot better than I thought it would, and it was a lot of fun to try to use. So if you like this content, let me know in the comments what you think of it and if I should bring it back. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a marvelous, marvelous day.
The world, take it.
Alright, today we're using my trusty high-cap pistol and AC blade. Let's see what we can do with it. Alright!
They gotta flip this.
Yeah, they have to flip that.
We have to throw it around the wall.
Slap my hand. Oh no.
Alright. Listen, if we protect this and put up a front and protect Maze, it will keep them from advancing. That's the only.
Oh, I'm just hiding in a closet because I have an AC blade. I need to assassinate. Speaking of which, slap my hand.
Slap my hand.
Keep that light on. Whoa. Slap my hand. Ow. Oh my god. Alright. I'm hiding in my usual spot.
Oh, that was my usual spot.
No, it's my usual spot now.
What's up, bro?
Grab it! Flip my
I
hand.
need the whole basket.
Ha!
We cannot go past them.
We cannot go past these two doors.
These double doors is it.
Mm-hmm.
If you start getting too much resistance, I'll be right here to scream out. Because I'm going to lap around. If they start pushing you out, and I'll frag the shit out of this hallway.
I mean, I'm just hiding in there.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey! He's dead. Hey! Ah, hit! Good job! Clap my hand. Hey, they're very far main hallway. Hey!
Dude, you got like a 6-piece with that frag. A what? You got a 6-piece. Woohoo! Going. Good job. 6-piece. Let him through. Yeah, man, let him out. How we doing? Yeah, go for hard.
Ben. Are you not ready? Nope. Green? Yeah. Whatever.
Stab. Why did you let me do that? Stab! Guys, bad! No bad! Get up here! I took out so many of them.
Clear for now.
We're going. go in that room.
That room's silent.
There's one in, oh, is he dead?
He's dead.
The guy in the corner?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's rotate.
No, let's take this room then.
Or do you want to rotate left?
Ah! Oh, it did. Good shots. Alright, dead man coming out.
We have to do
Some of us definitely hit him, but
the
it's
pistols
okay.
be the best.
There's a lot going on.
Oh, hell yeah.
So.
No, I didn't even use my pistol. I used this.
He's got a fucking hidden blade from the side of the frame.
Yep.
Don't let me go. You go. You got the gun.
You got the X.
It's gonna take me forever to cock it back.
You go.
No. Oh, God. I fucking hate you.
Fuck you. Oh, hit. Oh, wait. Are you no ban?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you shot me. How dare you?
No.
How dare you shoot me?
No, coming through. No.
Oh, you missed.
I did?
Yeah, I think you did, but I'll call it a trade if you want.
Fire. Alright. I need you to hold it down.
Oh.
I need you to hold it. Did the game start?
Are you on our team?
Yes.
Oh, shit. My bad.
So how long is this? Do we have people down there?
Yeah, we have some people in the maze, but I'm gonna hide behind
Hold
this.
down the left side. The dummy is in dark room.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know where that is.
You don't know where dark room is? Alright, so you're in cafeteria and you're heading that way. It's the room next to it.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, it's called
Okay, that's the dummy inside. I need some people over here at Rat Maze. I only have 2 in there.
Alright, so I gotta kill with the butterfly knife. Now I gotta do big carrot. Then I gotta go with a good personality.
Perfect.
Right.
Wait, is it started?
I hope not. Okay.
Oh.
We just got one guy. Crouched up with the right shoulder.
I gotta do it right. No, don't stay with me. I need to get arrows.
I really don't like the attention on the shield so they don't shoot at me when I pop out. If you do that, your shooter can
Just shooting BBs at them. Oh, it's game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're running.
That's wild. That's wild. Bang bang. Alright. Good shit, buddy. Good shit.